How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna review the Kitsound Hive X Bluetooth speaker. Now I thought this speaker was brand new and everything when I did my unboxing, but it's actually not brand new. It's been out for 2 years, and for some weird reason I can't really find any reviews on this, or like not even a single article. So that is a bit funny, but on Amazon they do have some generic reviews and everything from other people. I thought I might as well just review it. It has literally no information out there, so it's just a bit unusual. So if you remember the Kitsound Hive 2, well, this is a bit bigger. Well, actually, I don't know, much bigger. Is the Kitsound Hive X has, instead of two 40mm drivers in the Hive 2, it's got two 57mm drivers. And I mean, those are bigger than my headphones, like the main headphones that I use. So that's pretty insane. And because of that, it's obviously much bigger than the Hive 2. Now, some of you may not like that because it's not as easy to carry around, but in my opinion, it's just a much nicer size. I'm gonna use it at home anyway, so I don't know. It's also water resistant. It has an IPX6 rating, so you can take a splash. On the top you've got the similar buttons, except the LEDs have moved off from around the buttons to like the corner. So you have the power button, volume up, volume down, your pause and play button, and then the other button at the end is to pair it up with another Hive X. So what you can have is two of them connected to each other for like 40 watts of output power, and you can like have a better stereo effect. And I mean, this one is loud enough. You don't need another one, but if you want one, you can connect it with this one, and I mean, it's gonna be twice as better, I suppose. But I haven't got another one. Now, obviously, it has NFC, typical Kitsound, sticking up with their good technologies. From the side, it's moved to the top, which is much better position. It's also got a microphone, so you can obviously do calls with this. And next to the microphone, it's got the charge LED, which is red, and then the blue LED, which is for Bluetooth and when it's turned on. Now at the back over here, instead of the ports being exposed, they've actually sealed them up. That's obviously because it's water resistant. And one thing I don't like is just having to get these opened up. It's a nightmare. I don't like this little hole thing that they've got where you might stick your finger in and just have it pull open, because it doesn't work really well. But anyways, once you get this opened, you've got the auxiliary in, you've got a micro USB to charge it. Again, this was released like 2 years ago, so I don't think there was USB-C. Now below the micro USB, you do have the USB output, which is there to charge your phones. It's gonna output 5 volts at 1 amps. And this speaker has a 3300 milliamp hour battery, and it takes 6 hours to charge with a micro USB port. The playback time is 20 hours. Now I don't know why you'd want to charge your phone with it, because my phone has a battery capacity of 3500 milliamps. So like, what's the point? It's not even gonna charge, innit? Or I shouldn't have said that, but whatever. At the bottom it's got like 4 rubber feet instead of like the sticky thing. They got rid of that. And I think this one is much better because it does still isolate the speaker from the ground, thingy whatever. Apart from that, it is a little bigger. I like the sound more than the Hive 2 because it's, well, a better sound. Now, before we get into the audio samples, I guess I'd try to just find some free audio samples and all, but they're crap. But anyways, it should give you an idea of what this sounds like. Before we get into those, I just want to explain the sound and what I think about it. At first, it was a little bit bright. The highs are exceptional on this Bluetooth speaker, and the mids are really good. They are absolutely mind-blowing. They are crystal clear. Apart from Bluetooth, you can't use the auxiliary in, and I've done both. Like them both ways, but I do find that with auxiliary in, they've just lowered the bass a little bit for some weird reason, and with Bluetooth it has a little bit more bass. This goes pretty low. The bass on this is really good. Now I did say in the unboxing video I was going to compare it to the other 40-watt Bluetooth speaker I've got. Train my mind, can't really be asked with it. That one does have a lot more low end, but this one has enough, and in my opinion this Kitsound Hive X is a lot more balanced, so I'd go for the Kitsound X. It does go pretty low, like you can start to feel this thing. It's really good. One other disadvantage before I get into the audio sample tests is that whenever you turn it on, it's back onto volume 10. So wherever you left there, 5, 3, it's back onto volume 10. So if you're gonna listen to quiet stuff and you're gonna turn this on, it's gonna be loud again. So yeah, apart from that, everything else is absolutely mad. Let's get into the sound quality sample test thing with jigs, and hope you like them. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy one. You definitely pick it up. It's only 40 quid. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll answer that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in another video.